Today I'm going to show you how to pre-inflate your brand new HammerHead packer in order to make sure it will properly work for your first point repair. So what we have here is I have a piece of 4-inch PVC, which is going to be our test pipe, along with our packer and our regulator assembly, which is connected to our air supply. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my packer inside our test pipe. And one thing you'll notice on every one of our HammerHead packers is we have a PSI rating on every one of our packers. Please consult that pressure rating. That is the maximum pressure that you can inflate this packer to inside its hose pipe as we're testing it. Once it's in there, I'm going to grab my air supply, connect it to my packer. And at this time, I'm going to slowly add air to the packer, managing and monitoring the air as it goes up. And this air is going to go up, and I'm going to slowly inflate the packer, watching it carefully. And the process I'm doing is stretching the packer out. So I want to make sure I get my air all the way up to that pressure. Test it to make sure it's snug. I'm going to let it set for 30 seconds. After that 30-second period is over and we've let it stretch thoroughly, I'm going to deflate the packer. And once it's deflated, I'm going to repeat this process 4 more times in order to properly stretch the packer in preparation for its first point repair. If you follow these simple steps that I've just laid out, this will ensure that your packer is ready for its first point repair installation.